Welcome to Skagway. Hi guys, we are making friendship bracelet. Show it there.
Hello everyone, welcome to my Disney cruise.
Let's go to 9th floor. We are at Skagway.
Okay girl.
Those helicopters go to the glacier area. They land on the mountain with lots of glacier. Cool experience. You wanna book it, but it's all sold out. That's why. Because there are lots of ship over here, and there are two big ships over there. So there's no spot for us to go. Paunahan siya. First come, first serve. Alright, over there. Yeah. Gonna go off the... Yeah, beautiful Skagway. Good morning. Good morning. And this is our ship. That is our ship. Good morning, Miss Chin. Thank you. See ya later. Okay. This is Disney Wonder. Welcome to Skagway. That's Golda. They're mining. Skagway. Okay, go. Stream walk. Welcome to the US of A, where all beautiful things happen at Disney Wonder. This is how the Disney Wonder look like. That's our ship over there. Okay.
What in the Skagway?
This is the yellow one. I know it's not here.
This is America, you English.
Aray. Okay, go, Angela. City of Skagways. With you? Klondike Gold Rush. The Loom.
Come on, let's find one.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, magnetic mommy.
Maybe the bridge, only the bridge.
The only. The one that's nice. 3416. There is Alaska. Daddy, there's one that's just Alaska. Or this one. Because 3416.
Skagway, California.
Let's vote.
Check you in closer to 11:30, all right? So
What does the seal say? Ooh, that's monkey. Okay, you're moving now to heaven.
celebrate moving to heaven too.
You're moving now to heaven. So this is for the Whitepass Scenic Train. Machine.
That's one way
We are ready to
celebrate.
go. Hot dogs, hot dog, hot diddy up. Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
The name of
Where's the seal
how about the Hakuna Matatagay? Is that a beaver? Looks like.
How is that a dolphin?
No, wait.
You're beautiful. It's a seal, Daddy.
Hakuna Matata. Cute. Daddy, paunahin mo yung dalawa, please. Go.
On the front or the back? It's up to you guys.
I close the window out of this.
Go.
Pwede din doon.
That's fine.
Okay, this one.
I close the window.
See you later. We are moving now. Okay, you pray, guys. Pray.
As you're going to a nice place, nice places as you're going to.
And 25 years ago.
Look, the other half
Today,
of the car.
we'll be traveling over 20 miles of narrow gauge track and climbing nearly 3,000 feet in elevation to scale the Whitepass summit. Our trip will take us about 3 hours, and while our train does briefly cross the Canadian border, we stay on board the entire time, so you do not need your passports. At the summit, our train will take a loop in the tracks, which will turn us around so we can face the opposite direction for the return trip to Skagway.
I chose the wrong side.
One side going up and the opposite. Behind the Skagway River will be on our left, which will often.
Look, Denver. Train ride. Yeah. Ate, go. I love you. Look at here.
As we say hello to all of our other passengers.
Going back now.
This is not full. Bye! Alright. Aboard the ship? No, not the ship. The train. On to Alaska with Bochana.
And we'll tell you when the steam is.
Approximately 50 feet below the track, like Chuno have been hanging from ropes, working on a massive overhang of granite when it suddenly came loose and fell on the two men, crushing them instantly. Unable to retrieve their two bodies without disturbing their remains, Michael Heaney marks the boulder with a wooden cross to serve as both a tribute to these two men and all the workers who died during the railroad's construction. The cross is about 50 feet below the train on our left and stands directly on top of the massive boulder we call Black Cross Rock.
Scary. Nothing special except
It's all the way up there. It's also going down.
Wow. That is. We cannot. What happened to the bridge? Brace yourself, Daddy. Oh, no. We are inside the tunnel. Sorry. There you go. Here, darling.
Are you ready for the lesson life?
Stand here, darling. Go. Go closer to. Yeah, go like that. All right.
Mom, there's a lake.
Daddy here. Come on.
Everything is awesome.
Oh. Border? There are. Oh, Canada, our home and native land. To pay to love. Yeah.
Angela.
Okay, Daddy, thank you. Sweet delight, a true love, strong and free. Over Canada, we stand on guard for thee. Come, the land, glorious and free.
Together.
Huh?
We're together.
Oh. Nice.
Look here, mommy.
Wow.
Cars. They accept credit card and tap to pay only. And of course, as your roaming guides, please don't hesitate to let them know if you have any questions. Summit Lake is now on our right, and we're headed back towards the border. Also on our right will be the replica cabin used by the NWMP, and immediately afterwards will be the border, marked by the obelisk, standing on top of the rocky ledge, sharply upwards and to our right.
There you go. Oh, Canada, our home and native land. Through patriot Whitepass.
few hours of daylight to work with. Hanging from the bridge on ropes, depending on
Ayan yung nakita natin kanina, Daddy.
like the Statue of Liberty, the Eiffel.
Was it ever used? Was this ever used?
No, this is not the old one. That bridge thing, the wooden thing is the old one. This is the new one. You're trying to rebuild it.
You guys are gonna go in the tunnel. Oh, there's a big foot. You didn't see.
What?
Yeah, there's a big foot. There it is. Oh my gosh.
Mommy, don't forget the waterfall on the other side, okay?
That's if you're a warrior. Okay. Let's see if it's truly a warrior. Open your eyes.
Take your hair from our train.
You can. The people are standing there. Look at the black cross. Where? Where's the black cross? Oh, over there. Yeah.
There's no like little thing down there.
Yeah, over there. The black cross. Daddy, conspiracy theory, Daddy. That is a spaceship of the alien. Spaceship of the alien. That one.
Go on to Alaska with Bahana.
It depends on the line.
I'm trying to act like what Jesus acted like when he was creating the world. We're in the jungle now, everyone. This is a beautiful, astonishing young woman here, who is a model.
The trees are alive with the sound of music. The songs we have sung for 1,000 years.
Ooh, it's so nice. Stream of water.
Bangilo, we're here.
We have arrived at our destination. Here?
Wow.
Now, I just wanted to thank you guys. Do our dream job. So I hope you guys have a great day and an even better cruise.
Thank you.
As I end up in someone's lap.
Okay, we are almost done with our Whitepass scenic railway excursion.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we have entered into Skagway limits. Regulations do state that no one be. So if you are out on those exterior platforms waiting to get off, please wait to be waved off by one of our crew on the ground, or you can.
We're done for today. Is it there?
We're going.
Ready? Go. Go. Yeah, where's Angelo?
Good? Okay. No problem. It's perfect. Perfect. That makes sense.
Look, it's a unique one. See? Tapos may Skagway na.
Oh, di.
Ah. Okay.
It's kind of cool, right?
15. Oh. That's cute. How much is that? Oh, it's on sale.
It's on sale.
39. Why, you want that one? Then the shirt?
I want both.
Patay.
Okay.
Okay, Daddy said it's okay. Find your shirt. Correct shirt.
Okay, these both are okay for me now. Thank you.
This one is. You want that? No, I don't want. But this one, you want large? Or which one?
Minimum price.
1919, yeah. This makes me happy. Thank you. Have a good day. Tan ta tan tara. Choo choo. Okay, ready? You kidding me?
Are you kidding?
And you put the sweat.
Okay, keep it like this.
So, Mom, what is today? What are we gonna do today, Mom? Mama, when we get to the safe room, gonna use the washroom, take a shower, nap, eat, and sleep. Prepare for the activities. Yeah. I want to go to the washroom.
Daddy. Hi guys, today is our day 4 here at Disney Wonder, where we wander today.
Here in
Time
Skagway.
to go back to our
In Skagway.
No shit.
Now our beautiful ship. Disney Wonder.
No, it's
Look at this dude. Look at this dude.
Wonder, wonder.
Disney Cruise.
the ship that usually docks here.
Saras. And look down. This is a Disney cruise. Well, in specific, the Disney Wonder. As you can see, lots of people are coming back, definitely. And we are right now in Alaska. So, yeah. And now, these are my parents. We're going to the Disney cruise. Disney Wonder, I always cruise. First, meet my mom, the hippopotamus.
Meet my
And
son,
then-
the firefly. It's time to go back to our ship. Banoying son and Banoying daughter and the Chambi daddy. So today is done here at Skagway. You ready?
You can keep it now, sir. Lovely Anne.
Lovely Anne is here. Oh. Yeah, in the theater?
Yeah.
Okay.
Tapos kukunti na naman nanonood.
hot chocolate from the long trip. Home, sweetie, home.
Hold the door, please.
Hold the door. Nice na naman ni Kuya Perfecto. Thank you, Kuya Perfecto, for being so perfect.
I think the far ones are mine.
Hi! Mirabelle and Bruno.
Your camera here. 3, 2, and 1. 3, 2, and 1. Fabulous. Thank you, friends.
Got all we got put for you. There we go. Wonderful. There we go. All having a fun day today? What did you all get up to? What did you all do today?
The Whitepass Railway.
Oh yeah, the railway. We were seeing earlier Pluto loves going on that, letting the wind go on his ears and everything. It's a great time.
Thank you.
Okay, now.
Oh, what a gentleman.
Because he has a chocolate chip nose. Yeah. And that's Dale because he's got the red nose and he's got the Dale. That's what you call him when there's a gap. Oh, exactly. Yeah, a big gap. I know, he's missing a big tooth right there.
Chip and Dale.
He magically split them in two. Yes, popcorn.
Popcorn? Popcorn. Yeah, this is popcorn. What are we watching though?
They are the very best of us. They are the Fantastic Four.
Fantastic Four. Let's go.
Smile right this way.
One more.
Thanks for stopping by.
Thank you.
That's smart. Good job, Kuya. Okay, Joe. Okay, madam.
Sige po. Or, okay. Bye, Skagway! That's the port over there. Yeah. Okay. We are sailing to Juneau. And we are done here at Skagway, a beautiful place. Go. Wah, 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 wah.
We're on a Triton day. This is where we're gonna be eating.
Tritons tonight for dinner. Where's Daddy? Okay. That's why Ariel is there, because Triton is the name of her father. Good job. We are Tritons. This is different. Yeah.
Say hi. Say hi, Angelo. Good job, boy. Yeah, so we got a whole place here. And this is our food for now.
How about Ate? Cargo. How about Daddy? What do you have?
So now just the boys. Okay, thank you so much. The moment you heard the good stuff. Suso. That's suso. Oh, yung auntie ko taga-Pasig. Sige po.
Musok yung mga
Ha? Really?
Gusto niyo ng flavor?
Okay.
Thank you.
So, sugar in there? Yes? Let's see. I'll open it up and I'm gonna put it on my fist, okay? Sugar coming? Yeah. Sugar is in there. And I'm gonna make it disappear. 1, 2, 3.
Ooh.
Now, making it disappear is easy. Making it come back is the hard part, alright? You know where it is? It's here. Yeah. Alright, you ready? Give me.
Wow.
Wow. Wait. Thank you. Thank you.
Now, tomorrow I'm gonna do a mind reading trick.
Oh no! That's scary.
Short lang. Ano lang.
Is gonna buy something. Gift card.
Oh.
I
You have it. You stole it from me.
Have you been collecting all the charms? Yeah, I will also need the $100.
Yeah, give it then. Okay, smile. Sinong nabudol tonight? Ang ama ang nabudol tonight.
And let's keep on going. Number 15.
Okay, come on. Come on, daddy. Oh, ito.
Every breath you take.
Very nice, Marlon. I liked that song, so thank you for bringing that to.
Long the time that we saw us up in the heavens.
Yay! Very, very nice. Thank you so much. Well, that is all the singers I've signed up. I know you are going. Have a good night. If you want to sign up another one, we still have time. So just let me know. This is like our own private karaoke right now. We're having a nice chill time. I like it. Come on up, Mel. Are you ready, Mel?
Yes.
Yeah. Go for it.
Strumming the pain with his fingers. That's it.
Yay, Mel! Nice. Okay. Now Marlon has signed up another song. Still have about 25 minutes. But I do understand as well, if you leave, I won't be offended. We've sung a lot of songs. Are you ready? Let's go for it.
Even now.
Well done, Marlon. Okay, okay, Mel, we've got Top of the World. You want to go for it?
Yeah,
You're all going to lose your voices. We've sung for an hour. Okay, we have time for a few more. So, Mel, this is your one. Are you going to do it together? No? Just Mel? Go for it.
Yeah, let's see. Such a feeling's coming over.
Mel! Yay! Very good. We're just searching songs over here. Are you ready to sing? Let's go.
Yeah. Lying alone with my head on the phone.
Yay! Thank you so much. Okay.
Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless you all.